Okay, this is a good one here. You see this bird right here? The lady. Look at this. It's like she really talks to the bird. Like the bird was right here when I came out, and it goes up there, and the bird literally stays out all day. It just went up to the perch up here. It's chilling. Like it really, like it talks to her. He was standing there listening. Like, what you got for me? I'm gonna have to identify this bird. That's his cage right there. Look. What kind of bird? What kind? Yella? Nema? Yeah. Got you, got you, got you. That's awesome. Beautiful animal. He's smart too, huh? Very smart. Look at that thing. Oh, hey, hey, hey. Hold on. Oh, yeah, you're talking, huh? All right, cool. Look at that beak. Wow, what a cool bird. Okay, so, yeah, he's chilling. Another Bangkok story, you guys. Look at this thing. Yeah, he's hanging out at the shop right here because I walked by and she was just talking to him. He was just chilling. There's his cage. And I guess during the day, he comes out. So I have to buy something from the lady now. She's very kind. Very good. I'm going to take a water when you get over here. Oh, you like attention, huh? He turned around. He owned me. Very good, very good, very good. Oh, he's going to take a bath. He got some water, huh? Very good. I'm going to take a water. Yeah, thank you. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Okay. It's okay today. It's okay. Yeah. Yeah. Kaptum ka. Have a good day. Bye, bird. I'm going to get one more shot. Say bye. That's cool. That is for his, that thing is for his bath. You take a bath over there? He likes me, huh? He keep coming hanging out. What a cool bird. She's gonna give him a bath in a minute. Oh, you really want to be in my business, huh? All right, say hi for the camera. You're on Instagram. You got anything to say? Nothing? Nice. Nice. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Very nice. Very cool. Okay, all right. I'm going home. Thank you. I might have to come visit him again tomorrow. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay.